Soldier Boy, tell him.
Wake up in the morning, check my phone, I am getting bread. I am on that money shit, that petty shit y'all can have. Ain't got time to talk, I got too much on my agenda. After with my money, I'ma go ahead and split ya. Leave your ass in the ditch, and your grandma a picture. Heartless on this end, man, it does not get no realer. Stacking so, getting bread, turning heads, no breaking necks. Ask about me in your hood, I bet you they say I'm the best. Independent, self-made, always on you bitches. On my grind is where I stay. Sitting back, getting paid, laughing at you lames. What the fuck don't you understand? If it ain't making no money, then it ain't no fucking sense. I be out spending money, you at home looking sick. The first one to come out your mouth, talking about you the shit. Shut up, bitch, don't you speak before I spit in your mouth. I don't wanna hear that reckless shit that you be hollering about. It's just a little something, a little preview, but I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna make more videos for y'all, I promise. I post another video tonight. So.